Good day, sir. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Audrey Natalia Yu from Section DPSA DT2C, and this activity is for the Database Management System 2 subject. And it's all about PLSQL block. So let's begin.
What is PEL or skull block?
Is a block structured language whose code is organized into blocks. A PLSQL block consists of three sections, which are the declaration, executable, and exception handling section. In a block, the executable section is mandatory, while the declaration and exceptional handling section are optional. The following picture illustrates the structure of a PLSQL block. The three sections. First, declaration section, where you declare variables, allocate memory for cursors, and define data types. Second, executable section. A PLSQL block has an executable section. An executable section starts with the keyword begin and end with the keyword end. Third, exception handling section that start with the keyword exception. The exception handling section is where you catch and handle exception raised by the code in the execution section. First, connect to the Oracle database server using a username and password.
1.
Question
Basic
number 1.
PEL or skull block
Basic
syntax.
PLSQL block syntax. I will input begin and I will input DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line open parenthesis hi I'm Talia and close parenthesis semicolon. Anyways, the executable section calls the DBMS underscore output underscore put underscore line procedure is to display the hi I'm Talia, which is the variables, and semicolon set server output on is also the procedure will display that text on the screen. And let's try to run. The result is hi I'm Talia.
2. Print your
Second
last name.
question is print your last name. Same format that I will use in the first code. I will just replace the variable into my last name, which is you. Let's try to run this. And the result is you.
3. Declare
Third
3
question.
variables and print each
Declare
value.
3 variables and print each value. In this code, we will add a declaration section and input the 3 variables. Anyways, the LV means local level variables of varchar. I will just copy so that I can paste so it can easy to us to replace the variables of each value. The 3 variables are Audrey, Salazar, U. Now type the code of the block and enter a forward slash to instruct SQL plus to execute the block and display the message or variables on the screen as shown in the illustration. Input DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line to mention or to call the variables and to print it out. And now let's try to run. And the result is Audrey Salazar U, which is the three variables asked in question number 3.
Thank you and God blessed.